Hi, I'm Dr. Alvarez with Endobariatric.com, and welcome to another episode of our FAQ section. And today we will be talking about when is it a good time to start buying new clothes after your gastric sleeve or your weight loss surgery. And this came to my attention actually this week, that a patient of mine, I was discharging her, and her husband came up to me and said, Dr. Alvarez, please tell her to go easy on the buying clothes afterwards. And it came to my attention that we've never talked about this here, and I love giving this advice because it's very important and it'll save you a lot of money. So number one is the husband was telling me that she really likes to buy expensive clothes, and that is a no. So the first thing is, do not buy expensive clothes while you are losing weight or after your weight loss surgery. So listen, visit your local Walmart, visit your local Target, and the other thing is, the other tip I want to talk to you about is don't buy too much of that size, because you're going to be skipping sizes. All right. So yes, you don't want to look that baggy, you don't want to look oversized, that's normal, because I get it. It takes a while for you as a patient to start seeing you that you're slimming down. You see yourself pretty much the same, you wear the same clothes until family members start telling you, hey, listen, you got to do something about your wardrobe here. Okay, so that's a good time to start changing size. But then again, don't buy too much or too many of that size, because then you're going to be skipping that size, and then they're baggy again. And if you go too expensive, well, you probably use them once or twice, and then you're going to have to do a garage sale, sell them, give them to someone, because they're not going to fit anymore. So that's the advice. Number one, don't buy expensive stuff. Number two, don't buy too much of that size, because you're going to be skipping that size. And then down the road, the final advice would be down the road, once you hit a plateau, once maybe 10, 12 months down the road, that after about 2-3 months, you don't see your weight fluctuating, then it's a good time. All right, then it's a good time if you want a little fancy dress or a fancy shirt or something. Maybe that's a good time, but until then, in the meantime, keep it not too expensive, keep it very minimalist, very low amount of pieces of shirts and skirts and pants, all right, because you're going to be skipping all those sizes. I hope you find this information useful. I really love giving this advice because it's fun, because yes, getting rid of your old wardrobe is fine, but buying, you got to be very cautious. And I think this is good advice. It's going to save you a lot of money. You find this useful, leave me one of these. Very useful to the support of the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we're always talking about weight loss and gastric sleeve and weight loss procedures and everything, all right? So I'm Dr. Alvarez with Endobariatric.com, where we are changing lives one sleeve at a time. Take care and God bless.